Hello, my name is Kathy. Today I'm gonna introduce the three types of rocks and different types of minerals and explain them respectively. So, part of the heart of planet Earth, there are three kinds of rocks are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Firstly, let me introduce igneous rock and how it formed. Igneous rocks are from when hot molten rock crystallizes and solidifies. The melt organizes deep within the earth near active place boundaries or hotspots, then rises toward the surface. Igneous rocks are divided into two groups, intrusive or extrusive, depending upon where the molten rock solidifies. And there are types of igneous rocks. The second one is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed from pre-existing rocks or pieces of once living organisms. They form deposits that accumulate on the Earth's surface. Sedimentary rocks often have distinctive layer or bedding. Also, there are three different types of sedimentary rock: clastic, organic, and chemical. Clastic sedimentary rocks like sandstone from clasts or pieces of other rock. And the last one is metamorphic. Metamorphic rocks started out as some other type of rock, but have been substantially changed from their original igneous. Sedimentary or earlier metamorphic rocks from when rocks are subjected to high heat, high pressure, hot mineral-rich fluids, or more commonly, some combination of these factors. The three types of metamorphism are contact, regional, and dynamic metamorphism. Contact metamorphism occurs when magma comes in contact with an already existing body of rock. When this happens, the existing rock's temperature rises or also becomes infiltrated with fluid from the magma. Now, let's introduce some minerals. There are many types of minerals, but the most common types of minerals were like silicates, oxides, sulfides, carbonates, negative elements, and halides are all major mineral groups. Firstly, let me introduce to you guys oxides. Oxides are binary compounds formed by the reaction of oxygen with other elements. Oxygen is highly reactive in nature. They react with metals and non-metals to form oxides. And second one is carbonates. The carbonates are the source of carbonic acid. They form when a positively charged metal ion comes into contact with the oxygen atoms of the carbonate ion. These compounds are often insoluble in water and exhibit some level of basically of activity in aqueous solutions. And then silicate. Most silicates are formed as molten rock cools and crystallizes. The conditions and the environment during which the cooling occurs will determine the type of silicate formed. Some silicates, for example, like quartz, are formed near the surface of the earth, where there is low temperature and low pressure. Sulfate, a soluble divalent ion, is produced from the oxidation of elemental sulfur, sulfide minerals, or organic sulfur. Sulfate is ubiquitous in the environment because of the abundance of sulfur on Earth. Thank you for your watching.